Hello everyone, today we're going to replace a charging flex for Samsung Tab 3. The model number is P5220. Okay, this is 4G enabled, GSM plus the Wi-Fi, both cellular and Wi-Fi tablet. Quite old and nice. And what happened is the charging port is completely gone, so we need to replace it. This is super easy. For this replacement you don't need to be IT expert or technician. You don't need to visit any shop. You can do it yourself if you do have some basic knowledge about it. Okay, so first you need to order obviously a replacement, which is that one. The model number is GT Golf Tango P4 Papa 5200. This is the flex. If you search online you can get lots of them. Okay, and this replacement comes with the microphone as well. Okay, so if you are confused you can check the shape of it and you can place a order. And by the way, for this repair you need a simple screwdriver just to take out two screws. I'm going to show you in a minute which one. By the way, you need Phillips screwdriver and the replacement and a simple flat tools which is called ICSMA. So let's show you how to do that. First of all, we're going to start from any edge. We need to find a gap here, something like that. You just need to go around slowly, spudger it. Yeah, maybe at the beginning it's going to be too hard because this one, I think this is the second time we are repairing, so that's the reason why this is so easy looks, but honestly it's not. You really need to play it. Okay, and another safety notice: when you spudger it, make sure you are very careful when you come to that point, which is charging port. Okay, and obviously take out your SIM card and the micro SD card. And obviously when you spudger it in this area, one sec, in this area, I'm going to show you. Three of the part already came out. All right. Okay, so you need to be very careful when you come to this part. The volume and power flex are there. Okay, gently. Bother to connect to this. All right, so you take out like that. Now we need the screwdriver. Because of this is completely discharged, so I'm not worrying about to take out the battery connector because this is completely zero. Okay, so now I need to disconnect this flex. Okay, there is a little latch, pull it out. I always use my finger, which is easier, and pull it down. And now these two screws, one screw, well, one screw, two, and disconnect the microphone connector. And because of this is completely damaged, you can just use your tweezer. Fine. I always prefer in that way. Fine. Now finally we're gonna test it if this is working or not. As you can see the battery sign. Alright, so now as you can see it's charging up. The battery is getting filled by all the electron. So you could say this one fixed already. Now this is the time to put back the back cover. Okay. I always like to put the charging side first. Clip it. Walaikum salam. But anyway, it seems completely repaired. As you can see, there is no gap, nothing. And I'm going to leave it for a couple of hours to make it ready. Yeah. It's coming back.
This is old packs.
This one goes to the bin straight away. We're not going to throw it. We're going to keep this microphone in case if you need it in future. So as you can see, it's charging completely. There is no issue. Okay. So that's how you change your charging flags for your tablet. I hope you do like this video. If you do have any better way to replace the charging port, please don't forget to leave a comment below, because this sort of videos I'm only trying my best to help out somebody who doesn't know nothing about replacement. Okay, and thank you so much for watching, and I wish you to subscribe my channel, so in that way you can have instant alert if I do upload any more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.